Hello everyone, welcome back to our Japanese learning journey. Today we are diving into N-series of Hiragana that contains na, ni, nu, ne and no. And the first is na for nami, it means wave. Next is ni for niji, that's a rainbow. Next is nu for nuno, that means cloth. Next is ne for neko, it means a cat. And the last is no for nomimono, it means a drink. Try to learn hiragana by connecting it to everyday words. Keep reviewing this character, write them out a few times, and try to spotting them in a Japanese book, anime, or science. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are also learning Japanese. So see you soon. Bye bye.